Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal cookies no flour easy guide. Start by preheating the oven to 350 degrees F and lining a baking sheet. Combine 2 cups rolled oats, 1 cup mashed banana, 1 cup nut butter, 1 2-cup brown sugar, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Stir in 1 2-cup chocolate chips or raisins. Scoop onto the sheet, flatten slightly, and bake 10 to 12 minutes. These ingredient tips help you customize texture and taste easily. If you want chewier cookies, use more nut butter and less banana or applesauce. For a crisp edge, press flattened dough thinner before baking and bake a couple minutes longer. Stir in chopped nuts or seeds for crunch, or add 1 tablespoon ground flax for extra binding and fiber. Taste the dough and adjust sweetness as needed. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes like this. Quick recommendation: a book I love is The Simple Path to Wealth, which can truly change how you think about money and priorities, and it pairs surprisingly well with baking time. I've linked it in the description along with other deals and notes on measurements. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Baking and storage keep your cookies tasting great day after day. Let cookies cool completely on a wire rack so they set and stay chewy instead of soggy. Place parchment under each batch to prevent sticking and make cleanup effortless. For short term, store at room temperature in an airtight container with a piece of bread to maintain moisture. To freeze, layer with parchment and thaw at room temperature before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.